Everyone, today our topic is correct use of big and huge words. Okay, I think this is something confusing when we use big or huge. Okay, these words are very confusing and how to use correctly in a sentence. This is our question. So in this video, I clearly mention you how to use big and huge words. Okay. So before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to understand how to use big and huge words. And you heard about these are something defined big. Okay, these are something defined big. Okay, big means large, um, more than average, and extra large. But there are something confusion. Okay, let's clear it. So first of all, let's see, talk about big. Okay, so big is a word, meaning is larger than average in size or amount. Okay, big word meaning is larger than average in size or amount. Okay, in size or amount, larger than average. That's it. And use, commonly use general word for size. Okay, big is used for common use, common sense, and general word for size. Let's see examples. So example here, she has a big dog. She has a big dog. Okay, so here dog is a noun, common noun. Okay, dog is a common noun. Okay, so here use for common thing. Okay, dog is a common noun, and here big is used as a size. Okay, average, larger than average. Okay, next, like you are thinking about a dog, and or 50%, the dog is 50% large or 50% weight. But if you talk about 50 to 70%, then you can say it's a big dog, it's a big amount of dog here. Okay, so you can use big word here. Okay, next, that was a big mistake. That was a big mistake. So here you can use big, huge as an amount. Okay, and mistakes larger than average. Okay, next, we saw a big house near the lake. We saw a house near the lake. Okay, so there is similar. Next, if I talk about huge word, okay, huge meaning is very large, much bigger than big, much bigger than big. Okay, so if you say about extra large and larger than big thing, okay, then you can use huge word. Okay, and huge word used for huge, more intense or emotional things than big. Okay, big huge as a common thing, but if I talk about big huge word, huge for emotional or intense things. Okay, then big. Okay, so for example, that building is huge. That building is huge. Okay, huge means here larger than big. Okay, huge means larger than or much bigger than big. Okay, so here the building is huge. Okay, so next example here, he made a big effort. He made a huge effort to finish the project. Huge effort means like 200. For example, like one project need 70% effort. 70% effort, you can fulfill that project in 70% effort. But if you are doing 150 effort, 150% effort, okay, then you can say your efforts are very huge. Okay, if you say 150% efforts you have done, okay, so in that situation you have to use huge word. But if you do effort only 70% and that project effort or required only 70% and you can fulfill, but in this situation you can say only big effort. But if you have done 150% effort, so then you have to use huge word. Okay, winning the amount was a huge moment for her. Okay, winning amount was a huge moment for her. Okay, so here also same thing here. Use word as a use bigger than big. Okay, so you understand when we use big word or huge word. Okay, big word means only larger than average. But if I talk about huge word, big huge word much bigger than big. Okay, so like the chart is average thing, like average, then big, and then huge word. Okay, so biggest thing is huge, then big, and in the last average. Average greater than average, big, and huge. Okay, you understand? Huge, extra thing, big enough, like here 70% efforts are enough for that project. But if you do 150% effort, that is called huge effort, a huge effort. Okay, but average effort means here 135% average effort. Okay, for this project, not other thing. Okay, 35% only for this project. Okay, not other things. So you understand when we use huge word and big word. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and see you in the next video very soon.